Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm back with a new video. Today's day, we're gonna do something a little bit bigger, a little bit better. We're gonna be doing a whole Shining Faith box. We're gonna do the whole thing. I've been sitting on this for a minute now, and you know what? Let's just do the whole thing. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jon Snow, and I'm here today. We're gonna open up this whole box. We're gonna do a whole box today. So, my name is Jon Snow. I'm a recording artist in the East Coast of Canada. I'm gonna put the link to my music channel in the description, so make sure you consider subscribing to that, and also consider subscribing to my channel right here. So today we got this big old box, and we're gonna open it and just get right into it. Okay, so we just got the box open, and first two cards that come in it are these two bad boys right here. So these are beautiful cards. I'm gonna put them away here. Okay, we also got this big old card here, which is cool. Put that away over here. And we got the packs. We're gonna get the packs out. Okay. We got the 7 packs of the Shining Fates, and we're really gonna try to get this Charizard today. So we're gonna do this one last, I think. Okay. We're gonna start off with the Zard pack, and we're gonna end with the Zard pack. Okay. So this is it. Let's get started. It's been a while since we opened up a Shining Fates pack. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Luxio. Rusted Sword. Floatzel. Yamna. Butzel. Eevee. Cufant. Cacney. Ball Guy. And Manaphy. That's what we got for the Manaphy and Ball Guy. Alright, screw that one. Screw that pack then. Come on, Zard. We never got this Charizard yet, so we would like to get it. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Energy. Gym Trainer. Eldegoss. Dartix. Trix. Trapinch. Yamna. Busel. Grookey. Cufant. Thaki. Professor's Research. We're hitting nothing today. Nothing. Okay, third pack. Can we get something? Come on. Energy. Rusted Shield. Cramorant. Thwacky. Snom. Glossy Fur. Cufant. Spinnerack. Choodle. Yamna. Volcanion. I'm not even getting nothing. Jeepers. Pack number 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come on, let's get something. Don't mess with me this time. Energy. Tropius. Ball Guy. Thwacky. Horsey. Eevee. Choodle. Pico. Yamna. Spinnerack. Galarian Wheezing. Holograph. We got for first holograph out of the 4th packs. It wasn't even a full holo. This is getting depressing. It's becoming sad. We got 3 packs left to try to get this Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Come on here. Energy. Ball guy. Thwacky. Rusted sword. Coughing. More Pico. Choodle. Rowlet. Coughing. Spinnerack. Manaphy. Man, we got 2 packs left, and this is beginning. This is starting to become sad. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is starting to be sad. Energy. Rotom. Thwacky. Floatzel. Morpeko. Yamna. Choodle. Cufant. Horsey. Grookey. Indeedee. Okay, well there we go. We got another holo, but still it doesn't matter. This is not good for a whole box, 7 packs. They got me. I'm not too excited about this, but we're on to our last pack. Can we get last pack magic, guys? Can we get it? I'm not too excited about this, but hey, I've done crazier stuff, right? So let's hope we can get it for. I don't think we got the Charizard at all. Nope. Team Yeltao, Tropius, Floatzel, Nickit, Shinx, Cacnea, Horsey, Eevee, Glaring Weezing, Yamaga. Wow, that was a really crappy box. Honestly, I'm not impressed with that box at all. We got barely nothing. I'll show you what we got. We got this card, and this card. Out of the whole box, this is what we got. And these were the promo cards. Like, for real? Like, oh man, that was horrible. That was horrible. Like, it's hard. It's hard on a collector's head sometimes when you keep hitting like this. Like, I want to hit. I don't want people to send me cards. I want to hit the cards. It's like scratching a ticket, right? So, yeah. Sheesh. No, I'm not depressed. I want to hit some cards, guys. You know, I'm sure we've all felt this way in our Pokemon journey, right? So, that's what we got out of 7 packs. I'm starting to think it's rigged. I'm starting to think the whole thing's rigged. But if you like what you saw, consider subscribing, because I'll keep going if you guys want me to keep going. If not, then I don't know what you want me to do. What you want me to do, all right? So consider subscribing, consider hitting the like, and commenting for me. Peace, guys.